Hey guys, so welcome back to another quick inform video. In today's video, we're talking about Verizon and the different plan changes that they have done to their unlimited plan. And like I said, I think it's pretty big news and some big changes here, since I do have some viewers that have Verizon and want me to talk about this. So this plan has officially came out August 20th, which is the making of this video. So that's why I can show you this plan and everything. So let's get into it and see what's different and what's good about it. And like I said with the title, are we getting unlimited data, and if so, how? And that unlimited data comes as hotspot. All these plans have unlimited regular data, but a lot of people right now, especially with school and the whole COVID-19 going on, there's a lot of homeschooling going on, so people want unlimited data, and this is possibly a way that you can get unlimited data. Hotspot, that is, on your phone. So let's see what these plans have to offer. All of these have unlimited data. This first one's called Start Unlimited, and this is for one line, of course. Now, as you can see, 70, 80, 80, 90, but if you have 4 lines, it makes it cheaper. It's 35 per line, 45 per line, 45 per line, or 55 per line. So like I said, but right now, let's just say we're doing one line. Of course, that's the most expensive with any carrier. So it says Start Unlimited, get started with unlimited talk, text, and data. And never worry about overage charges again. So $70 per line, plus taxes and fees. The whole plan just includes 4G LTE data, and then you can add 5G ultra wideband for $10 more a month. So this plan just has unlimited talk, text, and data. The plan perks, of course, you will get some plan perks. You get 6 months of Disney Plus and 6 months of Apple Music. So the next plan is Play More Unlimited, our best plan for streaming with tons of shows, movies, and sports, and premium network access, all included. So the main thing here is you'll get premium access to the network, as well as this is where you start getting hotspot. So if you want a hotspot plan, you will have to get minimum the Play More Unlimited, which starts at $80 a month, or 45. If you divide that by 4 or whatever it is. So the plan features is 5G ultra wideband. So you get access to the 5G ultra wideband, versus on the Star Unlimited, you had to pay $10 more to access it. You get 4G LTE data unlimited, of course. Premium network access. So on this plan, you don't have priority data at all. So this plan here, with just your regular unlimited data on your phone, anytime you're in congested areas, your speeds will be reduced anytime. There's no priority data. Versus these plans over here, they'll give you priority data. So this one right here on the Play More Unlimited says get access to 50 gigabytes of 4G LTE premium data per month, plus 720p HD streaming when you activate it on your plan settings. So all these plans, I'm going to say that for video streaming, guys, it's at 480p. So, but you can go in your plan settings and change that to 720p if you want. The main reason they do that 480p is to make your data last longer. You're like, I have unlimited data, but remember this priority data where your speeds will always be fast. Now, once you hit that 50 gigabytes of priority data, it will slow you down. So it says, in times of congestion, your data may be temporarily slowed than other traffic after exceeding 50 gigs per month per line. So it's cool if you have the family plan, and let's say only one person went over the 50 gigs, it won't affect the other people on your plan. So that's basically what premium network access is. Like I said, this plan doesn't have it. Minimum, you have to get at least $80 plan. Now here you get unlimited mobile hotspot, 15 gigabytes of 4G LTE data, guys. So with this plan is, like I said, you'll get 15 gigs of mobile hotspot. This plan does not have that. And then of course the plan perks here is Disney Plus, Hulu, ESPN Plus included, and Apple Music for 6 months. Now that we're halfway through this, let's talk about these other 2 plans. But before, let's talk about our supporter, Honey. So Honey is a free web browser extension that will give you the best promo codes on popular shopping websites like Amazon, Boost Mobile, Best Buy, Amazon, Walmart, and many more. Even Verizon. Get it today at joinhoney.com/ref/dragonic to save even more. Once you download that on your Chrome web browser on Chrome, and you make your first purchase, with a coupon, I will get a small commission. That does help out the channel, guys. So check that out. That will be in the description below if you want to support the channel. If not, you can be a member of the channel by clicking the member button. Thank you. All right, so now let's go ahead and talk about the two other plans. So it says do more unlimited. You might be saying, well, why are these two prices the same? Well, let's find out. It says when productivity is your top priority, get it all done with premium data and a discount on a connected device plan. So the main difference between this is you get a discount on a connected device. So that's like a hotspot, a tablet, or anything like that. And we'll see that. So like I said, this plan has 5G ultra wideband access, 4G LTE data, of course unlimited, premium network access, same thing, will be 50 gigabytes. Like I said, once I'm done telling you all these plans, I will tell you what has changed and what's different from the previous Verizon plans. So same thing, 50 gigs of priority data. After you run out of your 50 gigs, you know, your speeds may be temporarily slowed down, times and congestion. You can change your video streaming to 720 in your plan settings. Like I said, all the plans will be 480p capped unless you change it. Another thing is, same thing, you get a limited mobile hotspot, 15 gigabytes of 4G LTE data. Plan perks, here you go, Disney Plus for 6 months. The main things, you won't get the Hulu, but here you will get 50% off unlimited connected device plans and 600 gigabytes of Verizon Cloud storage. So versus this one gave you Hulu, ESPN Plus, and Disney Plus. Music, this one gives you more, like if you need a connected device, like I said, like a tablet or a hotspot. Personally, me, I'll probably get this with the Hulu, Disney Plus, ESPN. That's just me. And the final plan, which is the most expensive one at $90 per line, guys. Remember, this is just the data plus taxes and fees and a bunch of other stuff. Get more unlimited. Experience our unlimited in performance on our best plan for extra features, including more music and entertainment. So you might be saying, what's the difference? Well, here's the difference that you'll be paying the extra. So same thing, you get 5G, ultra wide, wideband, 4G LTE, unlimited data, premium network. Same thing, you might be thinking, wow, I'm gonna get more. Nope. Same thing, is 50 gigabytes, is the same thing with all the plans, 50 gigabytes of premium data. Looks like you can change to 720p streaming in the settings, and then after 50 gigabytes, your speeds may slow down in times of congestion. But the main thing here is you get unlimited mobile hotspot, up to 30 gigabytes. So all these other plans, so this one doesn't have it, but these two plans, it's 15 gigabytes of unlimited hotspot, what they call it. And then on this one, it's after 30 gigabytes, your speeds are basically, you know, slowed. So like I said, these plans give you 15 gigs of mobile hotspot. This one gives you 30. And then of course the plan perks, you get all the Hulu, Disney Plus, ESPN included, and you get Apple Music included, versus these other ones were just trials for 6 months. So if you have this one, it's Apple Music included, and 50% off unlimited connected devices and 600 gigabytes of Verizon Cloud storage. So you might be saying, well, what's the difference between these plans versus the old plans? Well, let me tell you guys. So first of all, let me get this up here. So before, guys, like remember, the priority data has changed. They're all 50 gigabytes now. Before, the Get More was 70. So, well, let me start with the small one. The Play More was 25 gigs of priority data. So that one is actually a bonus. Now you have 50 gigs instead of 25. So you're getting 25 gigs. The Do More was 50 gigabytes, which is what it's set now. And the Get More was 75 gigabytes, guys, of priority data. So that one you actually lost 25 gigs. The middle one you stay the same, and the cheapest one you actually gain 25 gigs, which is good, because I feel like a lot of people are going to go with the Play More either way. So yeah, guys, like I said, all the plans are throttled now to 50 gigabytes. After that, like I said, you will still get unlimited data. It will just slow down times of congestion. What that means is you won't get priority data. So if you go, you know, to a football stadium or something, and there's a lot of people on Verizon, which most likely there will be, your speeds will slow down if you went over the 50 gigabytes. Now, you might be saying, well, what about the title of the video? How do we get unlimited data? Well, check this out on Hotspot. So before, guys, your hotspot data plans, after you went over 15 gigabytes or the 30 gigabytes, you were hard capped or hard throttled at 600 kilobits per second, which is, guys, we know that's useless. It's nothing. It doesn't work. You might be able to pull up an email. That's about it. Good job trying to, pull up a video. It won't happen. But now Verizon has changed their policy where after you go over your 15 gigabytes or 30 gigabytes, depending on the plan you have, your speeds may be reduced to 600 kilobits per second. What that means is same thing kind of with the data. You will get, let's say, these 15 and 30 gigabytes of hotspot. That's your priority data. Once you go over that, your speeds will be throttled to 600 kilobits per second in times of congestion. So if you live in a remote area where there's not that much Verizon customers on it, you can technically get unlimited hotspot without no caps, guys. But like same thing, let's say, everybody's at home right now, you're in a big neighborhood, everybody has Verizon, everybody doesn't have Wi-Fi for some reason. If everybody's using the unlimited hotspot and you go over your 15 gigs or your 30 gigs, your speeds will be reduced to basically useless. Like I said, 600 kilobits per second, but after that, it will pick up, speed back up when it's not congested. So think about it kind of like traffic. Once you go over your 15 gigs of hotspot or 30 gigs, that's your fast pass. After that, it's going to slow down. You have to wait. So like I said, right now with everybody probably staying at home and schooling and stuff like that, it might be a little hard. But like I said, a lot of people usually have Wi-Fi. So that's pretty cool though. Now, another thing before I finish this video, guys, is this only works on mobile hotspot. It does not work on, you might be probably asking why, if I have like a hotspot, a little hotspot box. Nope, that's still throttled after you hit your data allotment, guys. It will be basically useless. The only unlimited hotspot here is for your phone to do the mobile hotspot. So that's today's news, guys. Hopefully you liked it. Hopefully this video wasn't too long. I tried to do my best explaining it, especially if you don't have Verizon and this first time you thinking about getting Verizon. I basically broke down the plans for you and the mobile hotspot. So thank you for watching, guys. Please comment, rate, subscribe. Dragonic Warfare signing off. For more videos like this, please do comment, rate, and subscribe. So we'll join the member button if you want, and check out Honey. Like I said, they are my supporters, so check it out, guys. Thank you for watching, guys. Please comment, rate, and subscribe. Thank you.